Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable Sync with Google Sheets easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website and log into your account. Once logged in, select the base you want to sync with Google Sheets. Locate that app's icon on the right sidebar and click on it. If you haven't installed the Airtable apps yet, click on the Install button. Search for Sync with Google Sheets in the Apps gallery. Once found, click on the Add App button to install it. After the app is added, click on it to open the app interface. You will see an option to connect to Google Sheets. Click on Connect. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. After signing in, grant Airtable the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets. Once the connection is established, select the Google Sheet you want to sync. Choose the specific worksheet you want to sync within the selected Google Sheet. Configure the sync settings according to your needs, such as selecting the frequency of updates. Save your settings by clicking the Save button. To test the sync, make a change in your Google Sheet. Return to Airtable and refresh the app to see if the changes appear. Once verified, your sync is successfully set up. You can now manage your data seamlessly between Airtable and Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.